Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zia. Today I'm going to play around the Linux command. First of all, in this video I'm going to show you how to give a user permission to run as a sudo files, or in other words, how to give permission to run as a root user. First of all, I want to check how many users I have in my account, etc. password. So now I have here Zia as a root user, and another one I have Ahmad. So now I want to give permission Ahmad to run the sudo files or run as a root user. So in order to give permission, you have to edit the sudo file. How to edit the folders? You just come on enter v sudo. So now find the root here, go down. So now root is here. So I want to give permission to Ahmad. We just type all equals so just put all. So now enter escape and colon double Q in order to save this one. So now I have give him permission to run as a sudo files. So just enter so Ahmad. Now Ahmad is as a root user here. Now Ahmad is a root user. Now he can do all the sudo files. For example, he can check if this SDA. So look, that he cannot do because it is not the sudo file. So I have to give him enter sudo. Now I have to enter password for Ahmad. Yes, look. Now he can do this partition or whatever is the root user. So the next thing I want to show how to create an account for your friend. So I want to clear this one. So in order to create the account for you have to run as a sudo file. Exit from this one. Now I'm as a root, so I can add any user. So user add, for example, I want to add Hayat, my friend. Yeah, this one is already exists, so I want to add another one. User add Ali. Yes. Now I want to give him a password. Okay. Just enter a password for him. So now I can check this one. So now Khalil has been successfully created. Also you can use cat etc shadow. Now here is the encrypted password. So this one there is no MD5, but here is a SHA-5. This is an encryption algorithm. So this one indicates the SHA-5, an encryption algorithm. So now I want to add a group, a new group. Group add, group 1. So group 1 already exists, so I want to add group 2. So now group 2 already exists. So now group 3 has been successfully created. So I want to add another user. By user add proof. Now I want to give him a password. Password proof. Just like proof. Now I can check etc shadow. Now proof has been successfully created. So now I want to change the primary group of for the proof and Khalil to group 3. If you want to do that, you have to add user mode minus L minus capital G and group 3. So proof. So I want to give the same group to Khalil also. So now both are in the same group, in group 3. So to check that, cut etc group. So now we have group here and it has two users. One is proof, another one is Khalil. Also you can check as a groups, for example proof. It shows you where proof what is the group for the proof, which means it is in group 3. Also you can use ID and proof. Also it shows you the user ID and the group ID and the group for the proof. So thirdly, I am going to show you how to try out signal. First of all, you have to check this. Let me clear this one. You have to check the PS out. So this one gives all the IDs that are currently running in this one. So I want to check for the Firefox. So check. So just like grep Firefox. So now the Firefox is running in this one. So now I want to kill this process. We just write kill. This is the ID for the UID for the Firefox. Just write 13055. 13055. Not much. So what is the root for this one? Let me check. Firefox root. So this is not much, so I have to check that one. 12979. Yeah, now the Firefox is closed. Also you can use this one, Firefox. So now with it, Firefox, sorry. This one will open Firefox after some times. Yeah, now this open Firefox. So I want to kill this one. Now Firefox is running, so I want to just close this one. So you can use kill. The ID is 1370078. Yes, now the Firefox is closed. So now I am going to show you how to schedule a periodic job with a cron. First of all, if you want to check cron, tab minus L. So I have nothing in my other root, so I don't have any cron table in root. So now I want to create a cron table. Cron tab minus E. So now here I want to check for this one. For example, that is 22 and this one time 3. Just enter. This one is the minutes and the hour and something. So just write uptime. Uptime. So just write var log uptime $. So just escape and just save this one and exit. So now I have created a cron tab. So now if you want to check cron tab minus L. So now I have here current tab here. Now you have 3, 32, 32. This one is the minutes actually. For this, for each file that will periodically schedule with a periodic job. So now I want to see the result. Just write cat var log cron. So now you can see all the result here for the cron table. Everything's here. You can see the scheduling and priority and everything for this one. So the next thing I want to show you is how to find the network interface and also the loopback interface. So for this one you have to configure the network. So how to configure the network? You just write config config. So that will display the network interface and also the loopback interface. So this one, as you can see here, this one is all the way. This one is the IPv4 address for the network interface, and this one is the subnet mask, and this one is broadcast from 192 to 255. And here, this one is the loopback interface. As an IPv4 address, it starts from 127 all the way to the 1, and the net mask is from 255 all the way to 0. So this one is the configuration for the network. So also you can use this one sbin fconfig. So this one also give you the same result with the fconfigure. If you want to just specifically display the loopback interface, for example, only we want to display for this part, so you just can modify that one to just write the loopback. If disk, just write LO. So now it only displays the network, the loopback interface, and also the net mask for the loopback address. Okay, now in this part of the tutorial I want to show you how to write a simple Python code from using the Linux command. So for this one you have to run first of all as a root. I want to change my directory because this one is, I want to bring to the Python, so I want to the disk, I want to see the result. So home 0 desktop, so POD. So now I'm in home 0 desktop because I changed this one because I want to see my Python file in desktop. So and now if we want to create a simple Python program using the Linux command, you just write nano and give a name to your file. For example, I want to write hello world.py, the extension for the Python. So after that, just write hash use and bin Python. I just print whatever you want or whatever program you want to write. For example, I want to write here hello world on Linux command. So then you just Control O and then the save. Now this one has been created. Oh sorry, this one is we did a mistake. So I want to realize that. Yeah, now it's okay. So Control O, and this one is now created. So now we want to create a Control X. So now we want to, so if we want to display this file, so we have to first of all change the mode. In order to use the change mode, use change mode plus X and hello world.py. So now I have changed the mode. For now I want to display this one, so just write the // hello world.py. So look, now the Linux, I have successfully created a Python file using the Linux command. Thank you for watching, and that's all from me.